Hi, I'm Jimmy. In this video, I'm briefly going to illustrate how an electrical contactor works. There are many different types of electrical contactors. The one I'm going to use in this example is a 3-pole contactor with a 120 volt coil. In a sense, this contactor is not much different than 3 switches put together. You've got electricity coming in, going out, coming in, out, out. And with the switch, you've got electricity going in, out, in, out, in, out. Now both of these devices require an external force or power to turn them on and off. In the case of the switch, it's your finger, and you can hear them turn on and off. In the case of the contactor, the external force or power is electricity, and when I plug it in, you can hear the contactor turn on and off. Now the first example is easy, right? You've got a switch. You got power coming in, you flip the switch up, something happens inside, power goes out and turns the light on. And now you have the contactor. You energize the coil, something happens inside, and the lights turn on. But what happens inside that makes the lights turn on? I'm going to show you. Now when I energize the coil, it makes these 3 contacts go down. When these 3 contacts go down, this touches this, and this touches this. When that happens, it allows electricity flow from here to here and out to the lights. Now when I energize the contactor, you'll see these contacts go down and almost simultaneously the light will turn on. And when I de-energize the contactor, you'll see these contacts come up and almost simultaneously the lights will turn off. So if you've had absolutely no idea about how an electrical contactor works, I hope that this illustration has given you a better understanding.